Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Friday, August the 19th. Okay folks, here we are and our account still a little down, but we have come from the bottom, I think. Let's take a look at the chart of the SPY. And it looks like it's going to go down now. It went here. Curious that I'm trying to see the Fibonacci numbers. I don't really have anything here. Let's get rid of all these drawings. Okay, and let's try to do a little bit and this is considered a new high. If you take a line, let's take a line first, just a regular line from the high. We go to the next high and then stretch it all the way. Look at that. Isn't that a coincidence? Well, let's actually make a better drawing. Let's remove that drawing. Make sure you click at the very top, stretch it so that it touches this line that I'm building, will touch the next lower high, and then stretch it all the way. And look at that, almost like magic. It went there, touched there, and it's pulling back. It could be that this pulling back is temporary. It could be that is something more definitive. And that means a continuation of the bear market and maybe making a new low. For the time being, I have my Ichimoku cloud here that is yellow, indicating that we had a nice bounce, and now it's finding obviously a resistance. Let's duplicate this and take it down, because we draw this over there and then that creates a channel. I'm going to select this area here. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's just take I don't remember how to do this. Reset. Auto zoom there. Okay, that's what I wanted to do. Okay, selecting the arrow here, I select the area of interest. Perhaps we can grab this instead. No, that's to move around. We can squeeze it a little bit so that we can see the top and the bottom. And let's do this again. That's what I wanted to do. Okay, so I can set up my limits. All right, so it could be that it's going to go, if it's going to test the low, it will go to this level. Okay, let's do the Fibonacci retracement tool. Let me make sure that I'm doing here properly. Extensions, retracements, yes. So we're going to click here, click there, and there we go. So it went back between 61.8 and 50%. That's definitely where it should have been going. So we're going to have to see how long this will take. It seems like, okay, we reached the top there, and what comes next? Well, we have the Ichimoku cloud to tell us it's going to come here and perhaps bounce from there. If it breaks below, then it's going to test the low. You can also use the extension tool. Click there, click there, and click there. Okay, and there it is. It might pull back 38.2%. If it pulls out more than that, it's very likely to go test the low and possibly 100% if it's going to make something very similar to this movement. And that on Elliott wave analysis will be, well, this is an A wave, this is a B wave, and then a C wave will come, and that will be a long-term correction. But maybe also this will be an A, B, C, and that's a completed correction, and now we're going in an upswing. A little more information is required. Okay. All of that is interesting, but our system here is to buy, whether we're in a high or a low, every week $500 worth, or one share. And at this time it will be $422. So let's keep doing that, and we can analyze the charts as we go. Okay. Just to make it a little more interesting, our session here, I'm going to do this analysis on where I think the market will go. So right now it could go to 38.2% retracement from this big move. But if it goes below to 61.8, then that means we're still in a bear market despite this yellow Ichimoku cloud, which is bullish. I'm going to leave this here so we can comment next week. Okay, so let's add $500 to our account here, and as you know, this is a paper trading account, so I'm adjusting adding $500, but you can do this adding a certain amount every so often. It could be not necessarily every week. It might not be convenient for you to add 500. Maybe you want to do more, maybe you want to do less. For now, I'm just going to do 500 because it's close to one share. Okay. And I'm adding every week $500, and with that I can buy a share, and all I have to do is click here and say buy, and that creates a buy order, and of course for 100 shares, but we're only buying one, so change that for one, and there, that's all you need to do. Send that off. And there we are filled. And let's go to the Analyze tab, and here you would see how many shares we have, 67, and this is past 1 year, obviously, because we have been doing it every week, and it takes 52 weeks in a year, so we have well over a year, and my average price is $431. All right, that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye-bye.